Hey y'all, today we are going to talk about a new product, and it is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. Apparently you can't put this on your face, it's specifically for your under eyes. I don't know why they market it like that, but they did. So this is supposed to be full coverage, up to 24-hour wear. I don't know who's wearing concealer for 24 hours, but that's what it says. And they had about 12 shades at my Walmart, so it's not a great shade range, but they may have more. I haven't checked online. Normally Maybelline's pretty good with their Super Stay foundation range, all that, so hopefully there's more. Okay, I literally just choked on my own spit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, let me make sure I'm not, choking to death. But yeah, I got the shade medium. We try this out. We do a 12-hour wear test. We're gonna see if it's full coverage, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see if I like this and how it wears, then subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. So I was just getting ready to come on here, and I wanted to open this and look at it. Do you guys see that? It's dirty. There's a hair on the cap, and it's got all kinds of lint and dust and fuzz. I hope my camera is picking all of that up. And this was in a box, like a legit box. So I'm gonna pull this out. It looks okay on the inside, but man, that is nasty on the outside. Ugh. I'm still gonna use this, but if I wasn't showing you guys, I wouldn't. That's just nasty. Ugh. Okay, so I got the shade medium. Ooh. And this is like a flat kind of paddle doe foot applicator and a squeezy tube. You get 0.23 fluid ounces. And let's go ahead and put this on the face. So I'm not going to put a whole lot at first. We're going to try it out. I do like this doe foot though. I really like it. We're gonna start out with this. It says it's full coverage, so let's hope that it is. And back to our dirty ass sponge to blend it out. I'm just gonna start pushing it into the skin. Blends out super, super easily. Wow, easily. You guys see, it takes no time at all to blend. I think that's the quickest I've ever blended out concealer, ever. That's crazy. I mean literally no time. Jeez. Let's get that off the lip. I hate that. I'm in total shock right now. This blended out so fast. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit on the eyelids, and I would say off first bat, it is really, really good coverage. I would say high medium, if not low full coverage, but I'm going to put just a little bit more, and then back to the sponge and just pushing it into the skin. I'm telling, you guys, wow, it blends out so easily. So here is what we're looking like, and I'm shocked. I expected this to be good. I really like the Super Stay foundation. It is just so full coverage. But wow, it blends out so easily. Like I said, it's not heavy, it's not cakey, it's not accentuating my pores or my lines. Of course, any concealer is going to crease in your smile, no, not your smile lines. Any concealer is going to crease on your little fine lines. That's just the way it works, But it's not bad. It's not bunching up anywhere. Ooh, I'm really, really excited about this. I don't know why I keep itching my head. I swear I don't have lice. I just have a dry scalp right now, okay? So I am super excited about this. I cannot wait to do a wear test on this because how quick and easy and awesome it looks. This may be a go-to for me. So I'm not going to set it on camera. I'm going to wait, and I have another review to do of a cream kind of jelly highlighter. So I want to get that on, and then we will come back, see how it looks, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, so this is what we are looking like with the finished face. It's been about 2 hours, not even gonna lie. I've been having a really bad day, in fact a really bad couple of weeks, but yeah, just a bad day, a lot of personal stuff going on, and I got kind of emotional and this and that, so, but it lasted. This concealer still looks great. But yeah, so then I took my time and did my eyeshadow and this and that, so it is what it is. But this is what we're looking like, and we're gonna do a wear test on this baby. Let me see, is there a time on here? Hold that thought. No, it says up to 24-hour wear. I'm not gonna keep this on for 24 hours. We're gonna shoot for 12 because that's like a normal day. Who would have concealer on for 24 hours? Like, I hope none of you guys would have concealer on for 24 hours, okay? But yeah, we're gonna shoot for 12, and hopefully I don't have another crying session because I don't want to mess this up. But like I said, I did earlier, and it did not go anywhere. So fingers crossed, and yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. All right, loves, we are back. It's actually been almost 12 hours, just a little under 12 hours. This lippy, I'm telling you, they are amazing. It's like a shiny tint from Too Cool for School, and I'm so serious. Wait, is it too, wait. I swear I need to get my shit together. It has been one of those days. Like, so just questioning yourself. Should I still do YouTube? Am I good enough? Just kind of as a whole, you know, like, I don't know. It's just one of those really emotional kind of just really down days. So I try to keep it so positive here and give you guys like the best of me and energy, and it's been a long day, you guys. So I'm sorry, this is kind of like I'm being Debbie Downer, but that's life, right? We all go through struggles. We'll get through them. You just got to keep thinking of the positives, and I love YouTube. I love doing this, but it's kind of, I don't know. Things just, I guess they progress slowly, and for other people it's a lot quicker and this and that, and I don't know. I'm just rambling, but I love each and every one of you that watch my videos, that subscribe. I am truly grateful for all of you. Now we're gonna get back to this video because, oh, okay. So it is Too Cool for School. These are Glossy Blaster Tint is what it's called, and no joke, they look beautiful when you first put them on. And it's a tint, so they sink into your lips, and the shine will go away, but the tint is still there. 12 hours. 12 hours, you guys. Like, they're so good. Alright, back to the flipping concealer. I like this concealer. It hasn't moved around. It didn't accentuate pores. It didn't make my under eyes look dry or cakey. I really like it. The coverage, I would say, is medium to full. I think this would be a great everyday concealer. Now, if you want boom full coverage, I still think the e.l.f. concealer has it beat by a pretty long mile there. This is $5, this is $10, so it's pretty well double the price. But for an everyday concealer, I think it really looks beautiful, kind of smoothing and nice. This is just boom in your face coverage. Like, if you want full glam, baby, this is it. So it's kind of up to you. If you're going for super full coverage, I'd stick with the e.l.f. If you want an everyday, really nice, but still pretty high coverage concealer, I do like this one. I will be using it. So we're gonna wrap this up because this is probably a longer video where I'm spilling my guts, which I'm an open person. I always have been. I'm very open and honest, and you could ask me anything and I would tell you. Like, I'm one of those. Like, you know, it is what it is. But I don't want to boo-hoo on here, or, you know, this is supposed to be a fun place and where people go to escape and watch makeup. So I'm gonna zip it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.